How about a McLaren, guys? This one got smashed.
Oh, they fighting out here? Yo, we getting a fight on live? Nah, they broke it up. Oh, it was the police that pulled up.
What do you guys think? Aston Martin or BMW i8? This one clearly has some undercarriage damage. Look at these rims. They've been broken. They're chipped, busted. Really ragged out rough here. The car itself, though, looks pretty good. The interior is locked. They don't have a way to open the door. So all I can do is give you a perimeter view of the car. It does have some kind of camo wrap on it because, you know, people are like that. The rims on it, in my opinion, are stupid. But it definitely is growing on me. I kind of like this. I wish I could get into it, though. Unfortunately, it's not available. According to this, they have an Instagram. You have to go follow their Instagram. Street Image. Huh? I have to check them out and tag them, let them know what we found there. BMW i8. What do you guys think? Next on my list is this Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins diesel. It is a 2013 with 225,000 miles on it. Now the interior does smell like, you know, the chick that was cool to take home from the bar, but you wake up in the morning and you really aren't happy about it? It smells like that. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I didn't want to start it. Stop. We need these off. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get a good start. Wait for the glow plugs. Coolant. Uh-oh. See what happens. She's dead. Yep. Damn it. I was very interested in this one. I wanted to see if this one was going to start with only 225,000 miles on it, but it doesn't look like it's going to. Damn. I'm not even going to waste your time with this one, guys. I'll come back. I have to come back to look at a couple of vehicles anyway. But yeah, this one's kind of disappointing. I really wanted to see if this one would start, because I told you I'd be buying another truck, and I might buy one from Copart, even though this one smells like, whew. But it's not completely ragged out. Like, seat covers and stuff can be replaced, and as long as this thing runs, drives, and pulls, I'd be all right with it. I don't know. The dust coming off this damn thing. It's a possibility for the right price, but it's not going up for like 2 weeks. So next on my list is the E53 with the 3.0 engine. Again, oh, come on, you're kidding me, right? It's got the best motor on it. It's on my list, but I might not be able to take a damn look at it. If the, I think that the driver's door is broken. It is. Got an aftermarket sound system in it. Got a Pioneer deck, I see. Sagging headliner. This thing's kind of ragged out, to be honest. Extra key, though. Where'd this come from? Brahman Motors, probably out of Jacksonville, huh? And you're dead at the door now, so. Well, no sense of wasting my time on this one. I mean, I pretty much know, well, I know you guys might not know a lot about them, but I know a lot about these X5s. They're great little cars, or, you know, SUVs. If you can get them for the right price. Oh, this one's a repo. Look at that. That one's a repo. So this one's probably ragged out, to be honest. The tires don't look bad. It does have a few scratches and stuff on it, but if it goes for the right price, I'd be interested. All right, now here's an oldie but a goodie. This is an Oldsmobile 442 A 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass with 140,000 miles on the clock. And it looks like it's locked. So much for that. It was on my list, but it does not look like I'm going to get the opportunity to show it to you. We'll have to come back and look at this one again here in the near future. Next on my list is this Porsche Cayman S. It is listed as a not run and drive, and actually listed it as a flood car. It would be something though that I might take a risk on for the right money. But you can smell it. It smells like straight mold in here. You can see the seats are all molded. The window over there is busted out. Mold on that seat. This is the mid-engine Porsche, I believe, so they're a pain in the ass to work on anyway. I just thought you guys might want to take a look at it. It's interesting. It's interesting. Alright, and next on the list is a Maserati Ghibli. Now, this one interests me because it has a low buy it now price. It is missing the front fender. It is missing a lot of the front core support and coolant stuff. You know, things that you would see here in the front. But it's not totally bad. It is listed as a run and drive. It does have 5,277 miles on it. It does have power. And the interior in this thing with 5,000 miles on it obviously is butter. Now I'm not going to start this where it's missing a lot of its components, but the mileage is actual. Can I turn that? I don't want to start it. Sorry, I had to turn that music down. Well, the satellite radio's still working. It's almost out of gas. You know, I don't want to fire it up. Some people will do that kind of crap. I won't do that. You know, I actually have respect for people's stuff. This is really nice. So, I mean, for the right price, honestly, if this thing goes for the right price, being that most of the bodywork, the stuff that you would have to take off, is already gone, I would definitely be interested in this Mozzie. What do you guys think? Is this a go or a no? Should I be going for this one or not? I think this one is not bad. Somebody was playing golf. There you go. You got a T in there. They were listening to Hip Hop Nation. Okay. What else we got in here? Tell me it's an envelope with money. Oh, I can't show you all that. All right. What is this? Looks like something that somebody tried to glue. Okay. Shout out to all the Maserati fans. If you know what that is, let me know in the comments. I have no idea. Unless that's like a trunk release or some shit. I don't know. It's got the little hide spot. I'm a fan. I like this. You know, I like that spot in the Tahoe. That's kind of cool. I don't know. Let me shut it off. Oh, she's powered up. Dun, 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 dun. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you guys would like to see me bid on and try to get? If it is, let me know in the comments below. Maybe this would be the new Punisher car. It's not every day you see a racked out Aston Martin with the crash bar held on by zip ties to the plastic bumper, but there's one for you. This one is beat to crap. It is an 18 Aston Martin DB11 with 4,000 miles on it. And we can't open this one either. The top two ones on my list I want to see, I can't even look at. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. In my opinion, you know, the high dollar ones are the ones parts wise, even if you can't fix them, you make the most money out of. But let me know what you guys think. Oof. I could wrap up the day with this big monstrosity. How about a McLaren, guys? This one got smashed. Oh my God. It says it cranks though. It's a 15. Huh. It's a 15. It looks nice. From the back. Not really. It's all smashed up. Wow. Wow. 650S. And last on the list today, we got a Bentley. Now, this thing is actually really pretty for what it is. The damage on the front is really not that extensive. And it's not really ragged out in the interior. But look at the Bentley in here, man. It's actually really, really clean for what it is. That front end damage, I don't know why you would total it for that. It must have undercarriage damage. I'd have to read and see what the full story is on this. But from my looks of it, it looks pretty damn clean to me. Let me know what you guys think. It's not available, it's not up yet, but I wanted to give you guys a quick look at this because it definitely, I'm adding it to my watch list for sure. That Porsche looks like it's a damn fire. Waiting on the gate to open, so I guess while we're waiting, we'll take a walk around. Woo! Engine fire. Look at that. That does not look good. Man, it got hot. It's getting hot in here. The interior is not bad though. The interior didn't get all roasted, you know. I don't know.